Hello everyone, my name is Glenna. In this short video, I will show you how to create custom fields. Each account comes with default fields, and users can create up to 10 additional custom fields on top of the ones already existing. Custom fields are available in a few formats: text field, checkbox, single choice dropdown, and color field. You can create custom fields on the account level or on the event level. To create a field on the account level, select Default Guest Fields inside the Customization tab from the Account Settings menu. Here, click on the Add Custom Field button in the upper right. In the pop-up window, select the format and label of the field, and add your multiple response options if these apply. Custom fields at the account level will be automatically added to every single event you create in Skipster. This will save you from adding the same field every time you work on a new event. If you want to create a field on the event level, choose the Guest Field section inside the event, and click on the Add Custom Field button in the upper right corner. Fields created here will only be added to this specific event. You can edit a field by clicking on the pencil icon, and delete a field using the trash can icon. Please note that deleting or editing fields is permanent and will also delete or change the information held inside your guest list. Users are not able to edit the format of a custom field after it is created. If you need to change the format of a field, you have to create a new field altogether. Additionally, on the event level, you can also add fields via the response form if you are using invitations, or via the matching screen while you are importing your guest list. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles, and thanks for watching.